Hey my loves, so today I'm going to be showing you how I created this look. I'm using the ColourPop Going Coconuts palette and I'm using this light brown shade and I'm focusing it mainly on the outer half of the lid, taking it slightly above the crease all over and blending it out. I'm using a soft fluffy brush to do this and I'm using circle motions. Next I'm going to be taking this shade and I'm going to be going in and doing the exact same, focusing the eyeshadow on the outer half of the lid. We're just adding some depth now, and also we really want to be focusing this on the very centre of the lid to give the eye a smoky effect. Now I'm going in with this dark brown and I'm focusing this on the outside of the lid. I'm packing it on to begin with a flat brush, and then I'm taking a big fluffy brush and blending it all out. Again, focusing it on the very outer of the lid. I'm also going in with that other medium brown shade and I'm just using that to also diffuse any harsh lines. Now I'm going in with this Morphe metallic eyeshadow and I'm just using this brush to pack on the majority of the product onto the lid. As you can see, I'm just doing it a little bit at a time and spreading it out towards the centre of the lid. Then I'm going to go with my finger just to diffuse any harsh lines and just to spread out the product a little bit more evenly. This shade is so pretty and it just shines on the eyes. I'm now lining my waterline with a brown pencil and smoking out the underneath of the eye. If you're new here, please don't forget to subscribe and give this video a thumbs up. I'm just finishing off this look with some mascara and lashes. I hope you guys have enjoyed this video and I will see you all again very soon. Have a lovely day.